Hello, welcome back to our channel.
We're so happy you are here today.
Please get comfortable, take a breath, and relax.
Today we have a warm, friendly talk together.
We speak slowly and use very simple English.
You can listen, learn, and enjoy this story.
Today, our topic is AI and work.
Many people ask, will AI take jobs?
Some say yes, some say no.
The truth is a mix of both.
Let's explore this in a simple way.
We will ask questions and find answers.
First, what is AI in easy words?
AI means smart computer tools that learn patterns.
It is a tool, like a helpful machine.
A tool can help, but it needs people.
People decide goals, tools help do the tasks.
People bring ideas, care, humor, and heart.
Why do some people feel afraid?
They think AI will replace all workers.
They worry about money, family, and time.
These feelings are normal and very human.
But let's look closer with simple stories.
Stories can show hope and clear ideas.
Imagine a small bakery on a corner.
The baker's name is Maria. She smiles.
Maria wakes early and makes warm bread. She loves the smell and loves her customers.
One day, Maria gets a smart oven timer.
The timer is a small AI helper.
The timer learns the best heat and time.
It sends a beep when bread is perfect.
Maria saves time and saves flour, too.
Her bread is soft, warm, and always good.
Did the timer take Maria's job?
No, it helped her do it better.
Now Maria has more time for people.
She chats, smiles, and knows their names.
She creates new cakes and tries new shapes.
The tool does the math and heat part. Maria does the art and the human part.
This is one simple picture of AI.
Now let's think about a bus driver, David.
David drives through a big, busy city.
He uses a map app with AI.
The app shows traffic and safe routes.
It warns about rain and road work too.
David drives, and the app gives advice.
Who is in charge here, app or driver?
David is in charge. The app helps.
David smiles because riders arrive on time.
Riders feel calm, and the city moves better.
So the tool supports the human driver.
Again, people lead. Tools follow.
Now let's visit a hospital at night.
The nurse is Amina. She is kind.
Amina checks patients and listens to worries.
A computer helps plan her tasks.
It suggests the order for medicine and checks.
But Amina's touch and voice heal hearts.
Can a tool give a warm smile?
No, only a person can do that.
Can a tool hold a hand gently?
No, only a person can do that.
The tool gives data and reminders. The nurse gives care, comfort, and trust. So, will AI make some jobs change?
Yes, many jobs will change a little.
Some tasks may move to tools.
But new tasks will appear for people.
Change can feel scary at first, but change can also bring new chances.
What new jobs can appear with AI?
People can teach tools with good examples.
People can check if tools are fair.
People can explain results in simple words.
People can design friendly apps for everyone.
People can help others learn new skills. Let's talk about skills for the future.
The first skill is clear communication.
Speak simply, listen well, ask good questions.
The second skill is teamwork and kindness.
Work well with others, share, and support.
The third skill is creative problem solving.
Creative means trying new ideas with courage. Problem solving means finding good, simple steps.
The fourth skill is learning every day.
Learn a little, practice a little, repeat.
The fifth skill is digital comfort.
Use basic tools, apps, and safe online habits.
How can we start learning these skills?
Take small steps, like tiny seeds daily.
Watch a short tutorial after dinner.
Try a new tool for 15 minutes.
Ask a friend to practice with you.
Share what you learn in simple words.
Let's do a tiny exercise together now.
Picture your job or your daily school. List 3 tasks that feel slow or hard.
Now ask, can a tool help these tasks?
Maybe it can sort, count, or remind you.
Maybe it can translate or check spelling.
Next, list 3 tasks only you can do.
Maybe you comfort a friend who is sad.
Maybe you make a customer smile warmly.
Maybe you draw a cute, fresh design.
These human tasks are your special power.
Tools do tasks, people bring meaning.
Another small exercise for your week. Choose one skill to grow this week. Maybe writing short emails with clarity.
Maybe learning basic spreadsheet formulas, like sum.
Maybe speaking kindly in team meetings.
Set an easy, clear goal for practice.
You might say, but I am busy. Yes, life is busy for many people. Try 5 minutes a day, not 1 hour. Small minutes add up to big changes.
Keep a simple notebook of your progress. Write one sentence after each practice.
Some people ask, will AI be perfect? No, AI can make mistakes sometimes. That is why humans must check results.
Humans can notice problems and fix them. Humans can say, this is not fair. Humans can choose rules for good use.
Good use means safe, kind, and honest use. We must protect data and respect privacy. Privacy means keeping personal facts safe. We share only what is needed. Companies must be clear and responsible. Workers must ask questions and understand tools.
Let's return to our 3 stories again.
Maria, David, and Amina taught us much. Maria used a timer to bake better bread. David used a map to drive safer routes. Amina used a planner to care with calm. In each story, the person led the tool.
What lessons can we repeat today?
First, AI is a helper, not a boss.
Second, people bring heart, care, and ideas.
Third, small daily learning builds strong skills.
Fourth, New jobs appear when tools grow. Fifth, kindness and teamwork always matter.
Some jobs may change a lot, yes.
But new paths will open for many.
We can move step by step together.
We can support friends and share tips.
We can ask for help when needed.
Learning is easier with a friendly group.
Now, let's imagine a classroom in the future. A teacher uses AI to plan lessons.
The teacher knows each student's level.
The tool suggests practice for each student.
The teacher smiles and explains with stories.
Students feel seen and learning feels fun.
Now imagine